Ever feel like your precious cryptocurrency is floating out there in the digital ether, vulnerable to unseen threats? You're not alone. In a world where hacks and scams are unfortunately becoming commonplace, securing your digital assets is paramount. But how do you truly take control and ensure your crypto stays safe? That's where hardware wallets come in, acting as a fortress for your private keys. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about names in the game, the Ellipal wallet. Forget complicated setups and constant connections. Ellipal takes a different approach, emphasizing air-gapped security. But what exactly does that mean, and how does this sleek device actually work? Let's break it down. At its core, the Ellipal wallet is a completely offline device. Unlike software wallets or even some other hardware wallets that connect via USB or Bluetooth, the Ellipal communicates with the outside world solely through QR codes. Think of it as a digital vault with no direct online access. This air-gap design significantly minimizes the attack surface, making it incredibly difficult for hackers to reach your private keys. So, how do you actually use it? The process involves two main components, the Ellipal hardware device itself and its companion mobile app. First, you'll initialize your Ellipal device. This involves setting up a secure PIN and generating or importing your crypto wallet. This crucial step happens entirely offline, ensuring your seed phrase, the master key to your funds, never touches the internet. You'll carefully write down this seed phrase and store it in a secure, offline location. This is your ultimate backup, so treat it with the utmost care. Once your wallet is set up on the Ellipal device, you'll use the Ellipal app on your smartphone to manage your transactions. Let's say you want to send some Bitcoin. You'll initiate the transaction within the app, entering the recipient's address and the amount. Instead of directly broadcasting this transaction online, the app will generate a QR code containing the transaction details. Now, you physically take your air-gapped Ellipal device and use its built-in camera to scan this QR code displayed on your phone screen. The Ellipal device, completely offline, analyzes the transaction details. You then review the information on the Ellipal screen to ensure everything is correct. If it is, you'll use the device to digitally sign the transaction using your private key, which remains securely stored within the hardware. The Ellipal device then displays a new QR code, this time containing the signed transaction. You then use the Ellipal app on your phone to scan this QR code from the Ellipal device. The app, now in possession of the signed transaction, can finally broadcast it to the blockchain. This two-step QR code process might seem a little different, but it's the heart of Ellipal's security. Because the Ellipal device never connects directly to the internet, there is no pathway for malware or remote attacks to compromise your private keys during the transaction process. Beyond its core security feature, the Ellipal wallet typically supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage your diverse portfolio in one secure place. It often features a user-friendly interface on its touchscreen, making navigation relatively straightforward. Of course, like any security measure, the Ellipal isn't foolproof. Physical security is still your responsibility. You need to protect your device from theft or damage, and your seed phrase must be stored securely. However, the air-gap design significantly reduces the risk of remote attacks, which is a major advantage in today's digital landscape. So, if you're looking for a hardware wallet that prioritizes security through its innovative air-gapped approach, the Ellipal is definitely a contender worth considering. It offers a unique way to interact with your crypto, keeping your private keys offline and out of reach from online threats. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.